Hello friends, welcome back to Money, Business and Finance, and me, Savan Kumar, is talking about sales. And when we talk about sales, to make a successful sales, to be trustworthy, to be credible, it is important that others say good thing about you. You saying good things about yourself does not sound good to the customer, does not sound good to the buyer, the third parties, the other people, your previous customers, your previous buyers, people who have transacted with you in the past must be saying those good things about you. And when you have those third party confirmations, when you have those third party approvals, it is only then the customer believes that what you are saying is right. I might say that I am the best public speaker, but until and unless other third parties who actually rank or rate public speakers, until and unless they come up and say that yes, Savan Kumar is the best public speaker or he is the best sales coach, you won't believe it. Because I can claim whatever I can, but it will only become credible, it will only become justifiable when somebody else, a third party who analyzes all the public speakers, says about me. They write an article that the top 10 public speakers, Savan Kumar is one of them. Among the top 10 sales coaches, Savan Kumar is one of them. Only when they say that, you would be believing it. I saying it for myself is of no sense, is of no use. Similarly, when you are out to make a sale, you are out to convince a buyer, you have to have this third party, you can say references, referrals, testimonials, success stories, videos from all of these third parties. That you are the best company, you have won the best product award consecutively in the last 3 years from this particular rating agency. And the buyer also knows that rating agency. They are also aware of that rating agency that rates. So you are selling cars and you have been awarded as the best car of the year 2021. You did not award yourself. Somebody else awarded your car to be the best car of the year. That is when the customer trusts. That is when the customer believes. Somebody of your previous buyer, somebody who has already used your brand of car, they have given a video testimonial. A lot of them have given a lot of reviews and feedbacks about you, about the car, about how good it is, about how good the drive experience is, how consumption of fuel is, how fuel efficient it is. When they say about it is when you agree about it. If only you claim a lot of promises, if you say a lot of things but you do not have third parties to vouch for it, you won't be trusted, you won't be believed. And in today's time, especially when everything is digital, when they are not getting to see you face to face, it becomes more important that you have these third party validations for yourself, because they would never get to see you in person, they would never get to feel you. This trust thing is not much required when there is a one-to-one connection between human beings, when there is a human-to-human connection. In this era of digital connections, you need third parties. You need other people to say for you. You need video testimonials. So make sure that whenever you are presenting a product, whenever you are making a sales, you are having these third-party validations with you, documented in the form of certifications, in the form of articles, in the form of testimonials, in the form of success stories that can take different forms, but make sure that you are having all of those written and documented. What else should you be having documented? Competitor comparison. And if you are not having these documentations of third parties, do not ever go out to make a sale. Do not ever negotiate with anybody. If you do not have these documented, never ever look at closing somebody. They won't get closed. So do not make an offer to close, because if you do not have a third party validation, know this one fact that they do not trust you yet. You are not yet credible for them, and when you are not yet credible for them, there's no point in making them a sales offer. There's no point in starting a negotiation, because you do not have an upper hand where you now know that the customer is really interested in buying your product, because you have not yet presented them with a third party validation. So make sure that before you get into all of these things, you have all the validations in place, documented, not verbal ones again, documented validations, documented certifications. And when you have that, then you are ready to go and make sales offer, negotiate, do a competitor analysis, see what that third party says about you and your competitor, see how they have compared you and your competitor, where do those third parties rank you better than your competitors, how are you better than your competitor. You saying that won't matter, your third party saying that would matter. So make sure that you have all of these validations from other people about your business, and making a sales would become easy, far more easy, because they might end up looking at somebody, they might be knowing a customer who is giving a testimonial for you, who is giving a good feedback of you, who is giving a good review of you. And that is how important third parties are. Look for this, look forward for this, and be a great salesman. Have a good day.